So today's unboxing is of the dual charger plus Enduro batteries. The Enduro batteries offer longer lasting run times with wider temperature ranges. So these come well recommended from a number of YouTubers, and they have been quite well received over the standard batteries, and it's a bit of a easy upgrade to do to improve your camera's performance. So for the box it says compatible with Hero 10 Black, Hero 9 Black. I believe these are also currently compatible with the 2022 Hero 11 Black. Limited lifetime warranty, conveniently charged 2 GoPro batteries simultaneously. Enduro dramatically boosts camera runtime and cold weather performance over standard GoPro batteries. So pretty straightforward. Dual battery charger, 2 Enduro lithium-ion batteries, USB-C cable included. And we'll go ahead and get into the box. You can order these from GoPro's website, but as I'm based in Australia, they do not ship batteries due to air freight shipping issues. You can't ship standalone lithium-ion batteries due to the fire hazard risk. So I picked these up from a local retailer for 74 Australian dollars, which was quite a good price. Oops, I seem to have opened it up upside down. So in terms of documentation, basically says stick the batteries into the charger. There we go, that's a bit better. Pretty straightforward. LED indicator lights, a little tip pamphlet. Charge Enduro battery 100% before each use. Keep Enduro battery warm by storing it close to your body. Installed in camera is fine when not using. In temperatures below -10 degrees centigrade, recording frequent video clips can warm the camera battery and extend performance. So that's in different languages, so that's fine. Important product safety information. This is just probably regarding lithium-ion batteries and the limited lifetime warranty, so not too much there. So pretty simple packaging. And then you have so that's it for the packaging. That is the battery charger there, which is pretty simple, not much to it really, quite compact, which is good. And you have the 2 batteries in plastic shrink wrap. So I'll go ahead and put that one in there. Doesn't seem to click, just seems to it's just wedge in there. That's a bit better. And then we can unwrap the cable here, and I'll just plug it into a power bank here which supports PD protocols, and we'll plug it in here. So there we go, 2 yellow lights indicating charging is now underway. And I think that'll be rounding it out for this video. I'll put a comment in with the charging speeds below, as they're not published on the packaging, but I do believe this supports PD and quick charge protocols. Thanks.